So any
The
other?
the next stock that I'm observed from last Saturday itself is Network 18
Okay.
because it's consolidated from last 6 months actually. If you
Okay.
can see,
Mhm. Okay, it has already given a breakout.
yeah, right.
So let me go to weekly chart first. Okay, so there is some pattern over here. So the next resistance will be around 50. So
Yeah, right.
if someone wants to wait, they can wait for this zone to break, or if they are following up very closely on this stock, then for them the ideal entry is already missed. So
Yeah,
their
right.
entry
That's
should have been over here, and it was
around.
cleanly forming higher lows. Okay, and a good base is also formed, so it has given a breakout, and after the breakout also it has been consolidated and again showing some up move. So I think next place it will rest is around 50 zone.
Yeah, right. That's next move. It can reach out to 50 actually. That's my
Yeah, yeah.
assumption.
Hmm.
And also the volume is good as well in the
Yeah, the
breakout.
volume has gained. So if you notice this
Yeah,
particular zone, the volume is got highly
is
accumulated, so this
yeah,
is also
right.
looking good.
Yeah, right. That's what I observed in last Saturday in my spare time, that I observed that this consolidated a few months, and after a consolidation is breakout happened, and it can reach to the next level of 50.
Yes,
If it
yes.
breaks 50 level, it can reach to higher level as well. Let me
Yeah,
check.
but we need to wait and see how it is breaking the 50 zone, and then we can decide like how we can go for it.
Yes, yes. Because what I can see, if you go with the weekly basis,
Mhm.
and in 2000, it's forming a base actually. If you go in the 2015, 14, 15 in earlier stage in weekly
Okay.
basis,
Mhm.
because it's act as a base at the time of it acts as a resistance now, but because it gave a breakout, so we need to wait for this week. If this closes above this 44 mark
Mhm.
or 45 marks, because in 2014 and 16 till that acts as a support actually.
Yeah. So this
So
particular
if
zone, it was forming a base, and then
yeah,
what happened is like only this is the good move which has happened, and after that it started distributing well and started moving sideways from there.
right,
So and we saw a good fall in the corona time as well. So
right,
to be more clear, it is better not to touch the stock until this zone gives a breakout. If you are
right,
a swing
right,
trader, if you wanted to see some opportunities and if you're tracking it closely, then one small opportunity is already missed. So it might go and touch 50, and from 50 we need to see how the stock is reacting, because if you also see there were a lot of places it started rejecting above 50 zone.
right.
Okay, so this particular zone where it is going to come, this place is where we need to be very cautious. So I would say that do not enter at this place at all. Wait for how this particular zone is happening. If again this particular stock is going to consolidate for a longer time here, then again it can come down and can touch this base, and again it can go up. Only after giving a close above these resistance zone, then only we will be very sure that whether the stock is going to move for a move up upper side or what.
Correct, correct. And same case with the SBI Life. If you can see the chart actually,
Okay, so SBI Life is newly listed one, just 2 to 3 years gone. So it is at the resistance zone now.
actually it gave a breakout actually, and it
Okay, so it is at the all-time resistance zone. It is going to go near the all-time resistance zone. So high possibility of touching the 1,000 and 1,100 is also possible. And
Yeah, right.
if you also notice, it is in a zone of higher low only. After forming
Right.
here, higher low, and then it is forming here, higher low. Here is also higher low. So again, the next step will be over here only. So after that, a
Yeah, right.
small pullback, and then it can again go upside also. So SBI
Yeah,
Life is looking
new
good, but again, we need to see we have a good breakout also. So any pullback again will be an opportunity for a longer segment.
Yeah, right. So what I think this can move upside post the all-time high. There are
Yeah, a
possible.
good consolidation or a good pullback is what is expected. So if that is happening, then we can see some good movement on the upper side.
So as per the Fibonacci series, if I
Mhm.
apply the Fibonacci series here, so if it gave a breakout after all-time high, it can reach out till level 1200. That's my assumption.
Yeah, it is
If I'm
possible. It
not
is
wrong.
as per the Fibonacci series. So this is the all-time high to all-time low. So for example, if
Yeah.
you see, it can go till 1300 to 1400, but again, it will not be a straight line. Like what is a possible move is like let me tell you. So the possible move will be like it will start from here. So whenever it is making a higher low, then that is a good opportunity to move upside. That is what
Right.
I would say. Okay. So for
Yeah.
example, this stock can go like this. It will not go in a straight line. That is very sure. It will not go in a straight line. It will not go from
Yeah.
here to here.
Definitely.
It will go like this only. So whenever there is a higher low formation, that tells that this stock can move further up. Or it can also go
Right.
like this also. It can start from here, consolidate for a some time, and then go start making a move, consolidate, and then it can go up. So anything is possible, but we should not expect this straight line to happen.
Yeah. Definitely. Straight line very rare in most of
Yeah.
the cases. Otherwise, it can be a dangerous move.
Yes.
And another question on the ONGC, like I thought it can move up post this if it can break this line.
Hmm.
If it can break the 120 or 125 line, so it can move further up because it acts as a resistance as of now.
Yeah. So this zone will act as a resistance, but it has given a good breakout. So to my understanding, this should perform well. So let's track
Yeah,
this.
right.
Higher low formation only is seen. So this should perform well, but it is at the resistance zone. But it has
Yeah,
given a
right.
breakout also, and the volumes were also good. So any pullback can take this to further upside only.
Yeah, right. I that's my assumption that it can reach out to level 200, 180 or 200 level.
Yeah, but I will wait for this zone. 125 is the first zone where it can like slow down for some time. See that there are levels. Like there are levels it can go. It can go here. It can go till here also. Not an issue, but it will take time because if you see, it has spent a lot of time over these zones. Let me tell you,
Right.
it has spent a lot of times at these zones. Okay, these zones it has spent a lot of time. So at those zones, it can consolidate also.
Yeah,
Consolidate or
right.
take some time and move up to upper side. But basically, I don't take these stocks. I don't consider like Coal India, IOC, ONGC, NTPC. I basically avoid these stocks. But if you see, there is good accumulation seen. Only green volumes only. Good accumulation
Yeah,
is
right.
seen.
That's
Maybe some
that's
good
what
news
I
can
observed
push it
actually.
upside.
Right. Because there are rumors about the privatization actually. So if ONGC privatization happen, it can move further up.
Yeah. So anything else?
So these are my observations that I observed from last in weekend actually. These are
Okay.
few stocks that I observed and shared my analysis with you. So
Mhm.
I think they can move up from my
Yeah.
level, or if they give a good breakout on that level, so it can move up
The
further up.
possibilities it can move up. So let us see. And I am tracking this particular stock. Okay, Castrol India. So
Okay.
I was someone who was checking this stock for a longer time. So this stock also has some potential to move, but again, it had to give a good breakout, and then only we will be able to consider that.
So as
Okay,
of
so
now,
my point over here is like it will struggle at this zone, 150, 160 zone, and if it is able to give a good breakout, then this stock can perform good. Okay, Castrol
so
India, yeah.
so as of now, if we go with the monthly line, still in the
Mhm.
zone of still in the resistance zone as of now. So it should break this level, right?
You are telling about this particular stock?
Yeah, Castrol India. So if we
Okay,
go with the monthly line, it's still in the that particular zone only. So it should
yes,
break this
it
zone,
should
and
break.
then we can consider of up move post that,
Yeah.
right?
So even if you see at the time of 2010 to 2012 also, it was consolidating, made a double bottom, and then a breakout, a retest, and a huge upside move was seen in after the 2 years of consolidation. Okay, and now what I would say is like it is again taken support at the same double bottom zone, and my expectation is like it can move further up, but not sure when. And I'm closely watching out on the breakout of how the breakout is happening. So once the breakout is good, I think it should move upside.
Okay, right,
So that's it for now from my side. Nothing much other than these thoughts.
right. That's it from my side as well. So I'll take some more time and I'll absorb more stocks and I'll
Mhm.
share my thoughts with you. You
Okay,
can review those things and you can correct me if I'm wrong.
okay, okay.
So till now, things are going well as of now.
Okay, so just concentrate on your position sizing and discipline, and
Okay.
that will take you to a good position on that.
Yeah, as of now, I'm just trying to learn things how charts are moving up and down. What are the
Mhm,
uh, things that we can notice if a move up or move down, so we can
mhm.
catch the momentum at that time.
Okay, okay.
Because I'm not trading from last 4 months now since
Yeah,
September,
yeah, yeah.
since November itself. I've just observing actually
Mhm. So yeah,
because
so
this is the learning
start
area actually.
slowly and start steadily, but always stick to your discipline. So if you are able to stick to your discipline, then you are good to go on that.
Yeah, initially I was without any knowledge or without any guidance. So that's
Okay.
how some a few days are very good, and after that things are getting worse.
Mhm.
That's why I thought
Okay.
to first thing learn, and then I can apply those things into the daily basis or weekly or into
Yeah.
my trading actually.
Yes, yes. So start slowly and steadily, and but you are stick to one particular strategy. That is what I would
Okay.
say. If okay, stick to one particular strategy, and you can do well on that.
So is the like the patterns also making a like the cup and shoulder, all the other things which are also matters in this analysis, which are forming into the charts actually.
See,
These are
it
very
depends.
important, or
So if
we can.
it depends. So for example, if you are someone like who does the analysis on the previous day, and you wanted to go for some analysis on the uh, intraday, then you can go for it. But what I would say is like if you are going to stick to patterns, you need to understand how the volumes are also behaving. Okay, so
You're
let
right.
me take a chart and explain you. So this is Maruti Suzuki stock. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if you see over here, uh, let me tell you. Okay, this is an ideal cup. What is this called? Head and shoulders pattern. So it must
Okay.
crack down only, but then after that it started accumulating some volumes and started moving up. So just
Okay.
by seeing the what is that called, the head and shoulders pattern, if you're going to take a trade, then I think you are going to do a biggest mistake. And because why what all you need to consider is like this is some particular zone where the stock was consolidating for a longer time and it did not fell much.
Okay.
So this particular zone can act as a good support as well.
Okay.
Okay,
Correct.
so that is what. And even if you see, if you are extending this particular zone here, it was actually acting as a resistance for a longer time, and now this has given a breakout after nearly some 2 to 3 years, and now this particular zone should be considered as a good support zone.
Okay.
Okay, so what I would say is like patterns helps us to understand how the market is behaving. If you are taking a cup and shoulders, you need to trust more on the volumes, how the accumulation volumes are seen. If you are in a head and shoulders, sometimes it reverses badly and start moving up. At that time, you need to understand where is the neckline. For example, this is the neckline for the head and shoulders, and you need to understand whether it is in which zone. This is completely at a zone where it was initially consolidating and it was facing resistance, and now it will act as a support, and that is why this stock started to reverse.
Okay.
Okay.
So completely we do not blind those patterns
Yeah.
and go for the entry, right? So we need to
Yes.
check the resistance and support as well for longer time frame.
Exactly. Exactly. You should always check the resistance and support as well. I'll tell you one other scenario. What happened today? Okay. So if you see over here, this is forming a symmetrical triangle. Correct.
Correct.
Okay. So this is one symmetrical triangle. Let me show you something else also. This is also a symmetrical triangle. Red line.
Right.
So which one do you believe? Which one do you trust?
The longer frame, time frame.
We cannot define or we cannot guess that. Okay, so see this particular bigger one, as per that bigger one, still it has to consolidate for a longer time. So maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow it can give a breakout. Okay, but inside, if suppose someone does not see the trend line or the symmetrical triangle in a longer time frame, or not checking the how the previous patterns are forming, if suppose he is checking only this particular red symmetrical triangle, so according to him, morning itself it gave a breakout.
Right.
Okay, so if he has initiated a trade, what will happen? He will think that okay, it is
This.
coming for a pullback, it is coming for a pullback, and after at this zone, he will be like, okay, yes, we are going to move up, and finally drop down.
Right.
And we will not be very sure like whether it is going to go up and whether it is going to go down. So that is why what you need to do is like, even though if you're going to trade for intraday swing or anything, start from higher time frame and come to a lower time frame.
Yeah. So that it will give a good resistance and support area.
Good understanding of on the bigger picture. It will give you a good understanding on the bigger picture. So as per the
Right.
weekly time frame also, it is looking like this. In a month, in a daily time frame also, we are forming a symmetrical pattern. And if you go to the 15 minutes, it will obviously show that okay, there is some symmetrical pattern going on. Okay,
Right.
at that time, what you will do is like when you see these sort of patterns, you will not be drawing this particular pattern, and you will not initiate a trade just because it gave a breakout at this zone.
Right.
Okay, so all these things we
Correct.
need to check, and we need to ensure how we are going to trade. And if you are like going to swing trade like intraday also, you should not consider the trade at the breakout. You should consider the trade at the support. This zone it has taken a support. At this zone you can consider an entry. At this zone you can consider an entry. At this zone you can consider an entry, but not at these zones. Gave a breakout, started falling down. So
Right.
these zones you need to be very careful on that. Okay, so patterns, I would say any pattern, or you are going to perform Fibonacci, or you are going to see OI data analysis, everything changes. As pattern, sometimes what will happen is like a particular pattern can look like this. Okay, and suddenly it can form a different pattern also. It can form like this, and it can form like this also. So we'll not be very sure that until it will form a good, still more consolidation or not, or how you will be able to decide. And even in a flag also, sometimes a flag forms like this flag, and sometimes a flag forms like this. So which one you will be actually considering a proper pattern? So anything, what I would say is like any pattern, let it be, but understand the background of it. What does the stock is performing? Whether the stock is performing higher high, higher low or not? Whether in a higher time frame, whether it is forming any particular pattern or not? So inside that particular pattern, is whether it is forming another pattern or not, and how the volumes are reacting. Whether the volumes are taking, whether the volumes are high when it is taking support, also, when it is giving a breakout, whether the volumes are high, how the red color selling candles volumes are there. So all these things, if you are considering, you will be able to understand. Okay, this particular stock is going for support, or this particular stock is going for resistance. All these things you will be able to understand.
Right, right. Actually, the shorter time frame give you confusion, but if we take the longer time frame with the shorter time frame, it will give a clear picture, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And
Okay.
along with the volume as well,
Yeah.
right? If the volumes
Volume
are
study, it
increasing
will
and
take some time. It will not be a very easy concept to understand with the help of volume. It will take some time, but have an eye on volume whenever you do some analysis. Just see, just check. Okay, the breakout candle is good, but the volume is very, very small. What will happen? Just make a note of it. Just take a spreadsheet, make a note of all these scenarios and see how it is market is reacting. And if you have noted it, like when the breakout candle is big and the volume is sun, it is reversing. So if you check whether it is happening for all the stocks, or check whether it is happening for rare cases, or all these things you need to check. So based on this only, you will be able to understand what the volume is actually trying to do.
yeah. So another question on the some of the stocks, like if you have heard about Idea, the crisis of Idea,
Mhm,
even the Mother crisis.
mhm.
So from their highest level, they have reached to a bottom level. Even they have break their all-time support zone as well. Like in the
Mhm.
case of Idea,
This particular stock you are saying, right?
yeah, right,
Okay. So, so see, this is something you need to be like very cautious with respect to the news. Okay, you have to
okay,
be you have to check the news. You have to check the fundamentals also. For example, when Reliance Jio is entering into a broad like a mobile market, the weakest stock will have a great hit.
right,
Okay, so we have to check what the company is doing, whether the debt is increasing or not. If you see Vodafone, they are in a huge debt.
right, right,
Okay, so all these things you need to consider. Only technical analysis, okay, you can consider, but you need to be very sure like whether higher high, higher low is forming or not. Because if you
correct,
see
correct,
from this particular zone, it is forming. It has not formed even a proper higher high ever. Okay, face the resistance at this zone itself, and then started moving down. Okay.
right. Still
Yeah.
facing resistance at this level actually.
Yes.
Yes,
So even if it has to move up in the future, if it is has to move up, assume it has to move up. So what has to happen is like it has to break this particular zone first and start moving. This will be the next resistance. It has to come up. Okay, and that we can also see a good resistance. So idea, I don't see a lot of scope in it, but maybe if it is not breaking this particular 7, it can again go for 20. That is what I see, but it might take some time. May in the meanwhile, Geo has to underperform and all these things are there. So let's not worry about stocks like this, and we can move with some other stocks.
so we can consider the Mother Sumi. Hmm,
Mother is looking good. Mother is looking good. Okay, Mother Sumi. See, I have already told about this talk in the channel itself. I think it was forming a series of higher high, higher low, sorry, lower high, lower lows, and after in the time of COVID, like about to start itself, it was making a higher high. And
Right.
from that time, when every single stock in the market crashes, it also crashed along with it. And this is where the time the FIIs would have entered, or the investors would have entered. And from that time, if you see, not even one lower low is formed. Again, higher high, higher low. Now again a higher high. So again, it might come for a retest over this zone, 200 zone, and then again it will go towards the another high zone.
Yeah, right.
And see the volumes at these zones.
It's increasing. All-time high volume actually.
Yeah. So this is how you need to do some analysis. Check whether higher high, higher low is forming or not. If higher high, higher low is forming, then you are in a good direction too.
Okay, okay.
So
So
I
as of now,
think,
these are the question from my side, uh,
mhm.
and
Okay,
I'll again do some analysis for some of more stocks, and I'll share those with you for your, and if you
okay, done.
if I'm something can be done from my side, or something can be new added into those analysis.
Okay, okay. So I
Thanks, I
think
will
we have
actually
done more than 30
that's
minutes. So thanks a lot for joining.
yeah, thanks for your time actually. It means a lot for me actually. That's how
Yeah, no,
I'm learning from these things actually.
yeah, no problem, no problem. If you are like very much interested in learning, I can help you with whatever knowledge I have. If some people doesn't show interest, then I'll not be like following them. So if anyone is showing any good learning, they want some help from me. Whatever knowledge I have, I will be trying to share.
Sure.
So
Thanks.
thanks a lot for joining.
Thanks.
Yeah,
Have a good day.
yeah.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.